Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
I'm so glad you're with us. Today we're going to do something that we just did with our friends at camp. We're going to make a 3D painting. So in a 3D painting, it means that part of it's going to be coming out from the flat part of your painting. So what we did, here's one of the ones from camp. It's a bird on a green field like this. And I'm going to show you what we did. Super easy. We took a canvas, so we used a canvas board, but you could use a piece of cardboard if you wanted to, whatever you want to use. And we used newspaper and masking tape. So that one was a ball of newspaper that was taped on and then paper mache over, but I decided that I wanted to try something different. So I took some strips of newspaper. I thought maybe if I made a vase of flowers. So I took a piece of newspaper, twisted it like this, and that would be a stem for a flower. And then I'm going to use some tape and tape it down because, you know, tape makes it easy. And then I'm going to make another one like this. I made another strip. Now I'll tape that one down to my canvas. And then for the flowers, I took two more strips. So a strip of newspaper. I folded this, I think, in half. But then I rolled it. So I took the end and I rolled it and rolled it and rolled it and rolled it and rolled it. A lot of rolling till I got to the very end.
Very rolly project.
It's a very rolly project for this one. If you wanted to make flowers, it's a rolly project. If you want to make a bird, or kids made a lot of landscapes with mountains.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. They're very fun. I loved what they made. So I'm going to roll this flower up so it's like a little, I don't know, like a little cinnamon bun.
Ooh,
And
I
I'll
like
tape.
cinnamon buns.
Yeah, that's why I'm talking about it, because they're a little hungry. So then I tape that shut so it won't unravel. I'm going to place it straight up like this and tape that down. Oh, also, in case you don't know this, when you're using masking tape, you don't need scissors to cut your pieces. You can rip it just like a piece of paper by holding it with these two fingers. Hold it and just pull it the opposite way, and it rips.
That's a good trick.
Yes, some people have a little trouble with it until we show them that that is the way to rip paper. Okay, now I'm going to make my other roll. Oh, I'd already actually started this and I took it apart for you. So it's already a little bit rolled. But I'm going to re-roll it and get it on here. And then tape it on. And then I'll show you how I made the vase. I was thinking about flowers because on Sunday, it's our friend Liz's birthday, and I sent her a birthday card that I painted of a vase of flowers. So I think that's why I was thinking about this. Yeah, she texted me today. She already got it in the mail.
That's nice. It's nice to remember friends. And friends and relatives and grandmas and aunties. Everybody likes homemade projects.
Mm-hmm. This could be a good card to give. It's a sort of a large card, but you could do it. So now I took another piece of paper and I made it into a rectangular sort of size. And then I folded down the sides a little bit and folded the bottom. And now I'm going to tape that down. So I'm going to take the tape and I'm going to tape underneath first because I want this to sort of stand up so it looks like it's actually a vase. And then I'm going to tape this down like this and tape down the other side. And now you can imagine, if you use your imagination, that this will end up being a 3D vase of flowers. I'm going to cover it up we're going to use plaster strips because, you know, if you see a lot of our videos, that's what we love to use. So I'm going to cover it in plaster strips, and then when that's dry, then I'll come back and paint it. If you want to know more about how to use paper mache, different kinds of paper mache, look through our videos. I think we have...
There's a paper mache video?
Don't we have a playlist of paper mache?
Yeah.
Yeah, we do. We have I'm pretty sure we did. But Dorothy's in charge of it also. I have to make sure. So we have a playlist of paper mache projects, and you could go back and look at using flour, using plaster strips, using gluey water, lots of ways to do it. But this is the start of it. This will be the base, and then I'm going to come back and paint it. And maybe on another video, you'll see it up here on our shelves behind us. So thank you for visiting us. We hope to see you soon. Remember, you can make a 3D painting. Look up 3D if you want more information about what that means. Okay, we'll talk to you soon. Thanks, everyone. See you. Bye.
Bye, friends.